time. The two of us intertwined, and your black boots walking fast next to mine. We were chasing the thunder inside the storm, running so wild outside the norm. And what remains? The two of us against the grain. Come out wherever you are. I know you're there, I know you are. They called us crazy 'cause we never fit in. We never bothered keeping up with their trends. It didn't matter that we weren't on the list, 'cause we were misfits, we were misfits. Staying up all night, drinking more than we should, getting way too high. When the sun came through, I watched you laugh, I saw you cry, 'cause the world has a way of tearing you down. Keeps you tied to the circus, paints you up like a clown. But I'm right here, day after day, year after year. So come out wherever you are. I know you're there, I know you are. They call us crazy 'cause we never fit in. We never bothered keeping up with their trends. It did